Hello friends, 5 ideas to keep yourself engaged with children during lockdown. Now, in this lockdown, we all have a lot of time. Of course, except those warriors who are fighting with corona from front. Doctors, nurses, medical staff, chemists, police, government administration staff, essential commodity traders and volunteers. My respectful salam to all these heroes. But we might not be prepared for this forced vacation, and so we just might be at loss how to use this opportunity to our benefit. Today, I would like to share 5 ideas to keep yourself engaged with children during lockdown. Idea number 1, talk to them. Simple but highly effective. What to talk about? Because in this digital era of mobile computers and Netflix, somehow we have unlearned this art. For starters, we can talk about childhood, aspirations, mistakes, dreams, journey, movies, web series, actors, anything and everything under the sun. Recently I watched a fantastic movie, As Far As My Feet Will Take Me. So it is a story of a German soldier who escaped from Siberian prison camp to reach back to his loving wife in Germany after World War II. So he covered 14,000 kilometers in 3 years in extreme weather conditions. So that's what happens when vision meets force. And I was taken by this movie. I talked about this movie with my family members, with my child. So it could be anything. You need to identify and explore what is that connects you and your child. Possibilities are infinite. Just go ahead and give a try to it. This brings us to idea number 2. Do some household chores with your children. It could be cooking, baking, gardening, cleaning, washing, anything. Now this is very interesting. It could actually be fun and unwinding experience if we could coordinate well and work as a team. So I enjoyed this experience of preparing tea and morning breakfast of poha with my son. So it could be anything. You can do some baking, you can prepare biryani or whatever you like. So joy can't be explained in words. It is a moment to be experienced. And especially if you are a father who has never entered into kitchen, there is a lot of learning for you. Now that brings me to the idea number 3, debating. So there are so many topics, and if we can debate healthily, it could lead to developing of individual thinking. Like every coin has 2 sides. So can we see subjectively, objectively both these sides? Do we have that patience to hear out the perspective of other person? Many times children are just asked to follow certain things without telling them, giving them any reasoning. And remember, this is the generation next. They would ask why. They are born rebellions. They would not just follow the things. So here you have an opportunity to peek into their psyche and decode their thought process. So here also you have an opportunity to express your point of view in detail. However, we need to remember one very important thing. Do not make it an ego trip. Let us go by Voltaire's expression. Even if I don't agree with you, I respect your right to expression. So, my friends, talking and debating, there is very subtle difference between it. Talking is a starting point for this process of communication where you are giving a narration. Whereas debating is taking your communication to the next level. It would improve your ability to express and also stimulate the thought process. So our favorite debating topic is old songs versus new songs. It's a never-ending debate. All the best. Find out your topic and start debating. You will not regret it. Idea number 4. Doing yoga or pranayama or prayers or playing indoor games like chess, cards, ludo, carom, checkers could be an experience. Like it would definitely help you create smooth bonding. And if you can play an instrument or listen to music or do the singing, nothing like that. Believe me, music could be the greatest stress buster. So this brings me to the idea number 5. Learning any skill set online. So there is so much of information available online. The question is, can we learn something? Here again, subject to your liking, like my son learned the guitar with the help of YouTube tutorials. So subject to your liking, you can choose the subject and master the art of it. However, we need to be extra passionate and dedicated if we want to learn some skill online. Eventually, learning online would enhance quality of persistence within us. So my friends, I'm sure these 5 ideas would help you keep engaged with children creatively. Like Khalil Gibran has wisely said, we are just medium to bring children in this world. They are the sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. We are the bows from which our children, as living arrows, are sent forth. So my friends, if you have liked the video, please subscribe and push the bell icon, share it, and your feedback would help me improve my next video. Thanks for your precious time.